Okay, this is unboxing of two windshield frost and sun shield covers, which are equipped with magnet. And what the magnet does is that it just stops the shield, windshield, or the sun shield or frost shield to be flying around during the wind. It sticks to the car through the magnetic attraction. So let me open and see what is inside. Okay, before going ahead, I must say that I've imported this, I've ordered this from the China. It came through the Alibaba or AliExpress, the retail arm of the Alibaba, which is a Chinese, Asian or Eastern European version of the Amazon. The prices are quite cheap and reasonable, so you buy it directly from the producers and manufacturers. It's well packed. The item is well packed, so I'm just opening it now just to see what is inside. I'm quite impressed with the packaging. It's really do you see these kind of things with the cartridges of the kind of laser cartridge for printers, and I've not seen it for this kind of thing they use it. So I'm going to now to completely unwrap and see what is inside. Okay, I have now removed the packaging. Very impressive packaging. Now let's see what is inside. Oh, it is not that. It is a slipper. Oh, I'm impressed. This is a slipper I ordered from Russia. Oh, that's good quality. Look at this. Sweet. Oh, that's beautiful. I didn't expect it. This comes so quick. Oh God, it's just 1 week. Less than a week. Oh, it's really lovely. Look at this. I'm so impressed. Oh, this is from Russia. Let me wear it just to see if it fits me. Yeah, this is a good fit. This is for on the carpet, of course. We are not using it for anything. And that's nice. That's nice. Very fluffy for the price. Okay, it seems that there is more inside this package. So I'm going to open it. Let's see what is inside. It's a coupon. Oh, 26% off. 69% off. From the 11th of November. There's a coupon. What is this? Okay, that's a little packaging with a sheep. That's the skin, real skin of the sheep. Oh, a little socks. Oh, that's lovely. Very kind. This is, I didn't pay for this. This is a gift. I noticed that when you buy from Alibaba or AliExpress, they actually, the manufacturers and the traders send you some little gifts sometimes. Well, most of the time actually. Whatever I've read, the reviews I've read, they look genuine because everybody has taken a picture of what they have. And the pictures are not exposed well, and you know that these are not professional reviewers or anything. I'm really impressed. And what is further? Oh, a meter. Oh, that's very kind of them. So it comes from Russia. I expected that be the windshield cover for us. Oh, what is that? Channel sachet. Is it something to eat, or is something for protection, or is it moisture absorber? No, I don't know what is it. Anyway, good bag, nice gifts, coupon, and a good meter. Is around. How long is this? Made in China. Of course, I bought this from 1.5 meter. The sleepers are from Russia, so it seems they do really well. So beautiful sleepers, nice, lovely gift, and something I don't know what is that. Probably is something you dissolve in water, drink it, or and 1.5 meter measuring tape, a coupon, lovely. Oh, and a lovely thing. It's made of real sheepskin. It's lovely. Look at it. It's winter. Will be really warm here. Probably I should buy one of these for my wife also. Yeah, really lovely. Good workmanship. You know that when you buy something from Russia, they're really good with quality. All this. What a surprise. I didn't expect that to come so quickly. Oh, I just paid last week for it. It was weekend. It's arrived now. Well done. A happy customer. And this is 4 years later. The slippers have been used, and now I've now washed it and using it again. It's probably third or fourth time I washed them. And good as new. You can wear them now. They were good quality. This Russian things last. This is parchment, almost like a parchment, because this is sheepskin. If you had anything other than that, I'll even use it for painting. So really good quality. I'm really delighted with the quality. We got another one for my wife, and that's lovely. It's well worth the money. You don't get rubbish with the Russian products.